Hi Paula, Daphne here. Really sorry for the delay in getting the second part of this back to you, and thank you for your question. Are you able to get a band 7? For me, in many aspects, absolutely yes. In terms of the organisation, in terms of the content, absolutely. But check out here that was what I thought. That was a sentence to delete, okay? But for band 7, it says frequent error-free sentences. So these little things would cost you a lot of marks. There is a huge difference between a 6.5 and a 7. This is why people find it so hard to get the 7. You need to have frequent error-free sentences. And so that means that hardly any mistakes at all. This is to do with the task achievement, but you can do this. A lot of this is little things to keep working on. So for me, you're doing absolutely brilliantly, and you are, yes, you're there, but I'm not going to make any promises. I've learned not to make any promises. But keep on going what you're doing. Watch out though on this task 1, because although this has fewer marks than task 2, this has the most marks. We need to sort out the word count. So I think, as I was saying yesterday, 180 is masses. Don't waste, literally don't waste so much time on this. Spend more time on the task 2. So we've got here, the bar chart shows the sales of 3 brands of cars in 2018. The countries represented are, I don't think you need that. And you don't need that. So I would go 3 brands of cars, Ford, Audi, BMW in 9 European countries. And then overall, yes, good, nice. Hungary was, past tense, really, these little things will count against you. The most popular country for car sales with around 400,000, and we write it like this. Units sold, good. The 3 brands were popular in the country as the number of cars sold by each brand were quite similar. Okay, absolutely. France's sales hit the second position. Now, where's your overall sentence? I want one overall sentence. So if you're going to have, this is really important. It's like, think of 4 sections. So your overall sentence, Hungary was the most popular for country, whereas Belgians, I'm going to change it to the people, purchased the least, another superlative, cars in the given year. Yeah. You might say with Ford, their clear favourite. So I'm kind of dealing with Belgium in one place there. So I want one little line here. What is it? One overall, which is about 3 lines there. Now I want 2 paragraphs of data, but not as much as this. Okay, that was Hungary. So I will put in Hungary, 3 brands were popular, as the number of cars sold in each brand were quite similar. Good. France's sales hit the second position as the bestseller among 9 European countries. Okay. So with sales of slightly more than. So think of how you're going to link your sentences. Wales sales of. Yeah. Okay. Represented. Good. Nice. Regarding consumers' preference in France. Purchase. Yeah. Followed by Ford. Okay, I think you've got quite a lot of information there. I think you could probably incorporate some of that information into up here. Italy and Belgium are the countries with the least significant, least significant number of sales, while Italy sold, good, this is good. So make it into a longer sentence. Italy sold approximately 120,000, so every time we do it like this. Units, Belgium's sales did not reach it, okay. Turning into sales detail, in Italy, BMW was by far the most attractive brand since their sales count 7%. Yep. A less expressive figure, less significant figure We sell, yep. Good, that's nice. Then here. But this is too long. So give me the highlights. I mean, I know you are giving me highlights, but you need to give me highlights in 20 minutes and more. I mean, if you go to 200 words, that's okay. But just be careful and worried that you're not going to do this in time. Other European countries shared a similar number in total. Good. See Portugal with an yeah, I was going to say Poland and Hungary. Or this was followed by, just to change it up a bit. Poland and UK, where sales totaled around 400,000. Just link those together and just deal with those in that short sentence. So think where you can group and compare, which is what you're doing. You're doing that. I mean, it's a good answer, Paula, but just keep on going on that. Keep on working on those task ones. 4 sections, and keep it a bit shorter. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Talk to you soon.